The following figure shows available options for creating multiple copies of the class to be held daily. Now, this is the daily one. Multiple daily basis. When do you want to start this training on daily basis? Every working day, or whatever. Just like Outlook, we define it which day or date you want to define it for. This is one day. Just like Outlook. If you book a timing for any meeting you see right in Outlook. You see the recurrence and everything. Okay. Just like that. Okay. I think you understand. Okay. So this is all. The class is all about. Extra you of course, in extra there's nothing. You just go and define your equipment, material facilities and everything. That's the normal one. Okay. So this was done. This was done. Reporting 1.